This is the Fujifilm X-T50, a classically styled digital camera that packs a punch. This retro-inspired beauty combines timeless design with cutting-edge technology, making it a great choice for photographers of all levels. Let's dive in and see what the X-T50 has to offer. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. The X-T50 immediately catches the eye with its stunning retro-inspired design. Fujifilm has done an excellent job of blending analog-style dials and knobs with modern features. The camera's body is made from high-quality metal, giving it a solid and durable feel. It's also weather-sealed, so you can take it out in light rain or dusty conditions without worrying about damage. When compared to previous XT models, the X-T50 is slightly larger and heavier, but still very portable and easy to carry around. It's a great balance between classic styling and modern functionality. At the heart of the X-T50 is a 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, which delivers excellent image quality. This sensor is paired with Fujifilm's X-Processor 4, a powerful image processor that ensures fast performance and accurate color reproduction. The sensor's dynamic range is impressive, allowing you to capture details in both highlights and shadows. Low-light performance is also excellent, with the camera able to produce clean images at high ISO settings. The X-T50's autofocus system is another standout feature. It uses an advanced hybrid system that combines phase and contrast detection, resulting in fast and accurate focus. There are a total of 425 focus points, covering a large area of the frame. The AF system performs well for still subjects, quickly locking onto them and keeping them in focus. It also does a great job with moving subjects, tracking them accurately as they move around the frame. Low-light autofocus is also impressive, with the camera able to focus in near darkness. When it comes to shooting features and performance, the X-T50 doesn't disappoint. It has a mechanical shutter with a top speed of 1/8,000th of a second, which is great for freezing fast action. The electronic shutter can go even faster, up to 1/32,000th of a second, which is useful for shooting in bright light without having to use a neutral density filter. Continuous shooting speeds are impressive, with the camera able to shoot at up to 30 FPS in 1.25x crop mode, or 20 FPS in full frame mode. The buffer depth is also good, allowing you to shoot a decent number of frames before the camera slows down. The X-T50's video capabilities are also worth mentioning. It can shoot 4K video at up to 30 FPS, with a bitrate of 200 Mbps. 1080p video is also available at up to 60 FPS. The camera supports F-Log, which gives you more flexibility in post-processing, and 10-bit HDMI output, which is great for advanced video work. Video quality is excellent, with sharp details and accurate colors. Rolling shutter is well controlled, and autofocus performance is good, although it can sometimes struggle in low light. The X-T50's viewfinder and LCD are both excellent. The electronic viewfinder is a high-resolution 3.69mm OLED unit, which provides a clear and detailed view of the scene. It has a fast refresh rate and low latency, making it easy to track moving subjects. The three-way tilting 1.62mm rear LCD is also great, with a high resolution and good visibility in bright light. It's a touchscreen, which makes it easy to navigate menus and select focus points. Connectivity and storage are also well covered on the X-T50. It has dual SD card slots, both of which support UHS 2 cards for fast write speeds. Wired connectivity includes USB-C, HDMI, and a 3.5mm microphone jack. Wireless connectivity is also available, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The camera is compatible with Fujifilm's remote control app, which allows you to control the camera and transfer images wirelessly. Battery life on the X-T50 is good, with the camera able to shoot around 500 shots on a single charge. The included battery charger is compact and easy to use, and there's also an optional vertical grip available if you need extra battery life. The camera has a range of power-saving features, such as the ability to charge via USB-C, which is handy if you're out shooting and need to top up the battery. Image quality from the X-T50 is excellent, with sharp details, accurate colors, and good dynamic range. Fujifilm's film simulation modes are a lot of fun to use, allowing you to get creative with your images straight out of the camera. The camera performs well in low light, with minimal noise and good detail retention at high ISO settings.